The last 5 days here at Woxsen was quite exhilarating and tiring. Tiring because you found a group of students who were very inquisitive, keen to learn, and also peppering you with questions of all types. I've been coming to Woxsen for quite a long time now, for almost more than 10 years. And every year I am amazed by how the quality of students has been going up year after year. And I think that is a very big achievement that Woxsen is making, which is that you are constantly upgrading the skills of the student. They were interested to know about how they can actually increase their exposure to the industry. And it is this feature or this inquisitiveness which I think is today distinguishing the students at Woxsen who are soon going to be stepping into the industry to be different from maybe the other places. Good luck to all of you. Good luck to the MBA batches. I hope you have a bright future and you are ready now to get out. And as they say, you will make Woxsen's name shine bright. Good luck.